Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be styling a table for one. Come on with me, guys. So this beautiful tablecloth I thrifted, and this woven placemat I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club. It is VLOGUST, and I cannot wait to get started. Let me go ahead and tell you who the host is. Now, the main host is Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Then we have Creations by Simone. We have Tablescapes by Candy. We have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Miriam Creative Corner, Design to a T, and Amethyst Adventures. So as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. So now the charger I also purchased at Hobby Lobby, and that beautiful gray plate, I got that at the Dollar Tree along with the clear one. That little small dessert plate, I got that at the Goodwill. And doesn't everything look beautiful, guys? Alright, so that dome of roses I DIY'd. The wine glass and the water glass were both thrifted from the Goodwill, along with the napkin. The napkin ring did come from Party City. Now the flatware also came from Party City, and I think this setup looks beautiful. Now we're lighting the candle, so you know what that means. We're heading on over to the reveal. right, so I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.